Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the upper left door hinge assembly on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 mounting screws, securing the hinge cover. Set the cover aside. Have an assistant help to hold the door as you release the upper hinge support. Lift the front of the hinge out of the door first, then pull the hinge free of the bracket and detach it from the wires and water line. To install the new upper door hinge assembly, first align the wires and water line in the hinge slot. Next, insert the rear tab into the bracket, then insert the front of the hinge into the door. Align the hinge support on the support bracket and push the support down to secure the hinge. Reposition the cover and rethread the 3 mounting screws. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.